You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this ancient Egyptian god of the dead. We'll be looking at how to say more names of pharaohs and names from ancient Egypt too, so stay tuned, loads to learn here. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English it's pronounced as Anubis, Anubis. Now in American English it's usually said as Anubis, Anubis or Anubis. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of names too many people get wrong. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.